engineer at Graphite. Today I'm going to show you our GT sync command, which you can use to keep your repository up to date as you merge in branches. To start, I'm in my demo repository here, where I have an example of a stack where I've implemented the activity feed. As you can see, I already have open pull requests for the PRs in this stack. If I navigate to the first pull request and then merge it, I'd like my second and third PR in the stack to be based on the updated version of my trunk branch, which has this PR merged. So I can go back to the Graphite CLI and run the GT sync command. That will pull my main branch, and then it offers to automatically delete the activity feed API branch. So I can just hit enter here to do that. And then you can see the other branches in my stack, server and front end, were able to be restacked on my main branch. However, these branches have conflicts. If I go and check out these branches and run GT restack, I'll be prompted to resolve the conflicts via a normal git rebase conflict resolution flow. And I'll show that to you in another video. Thanks for using Graphite.